Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update today on what I've been up to and what I'm going to be up to this week. Um, it's a proper February day. I was just thinking, if you were coming from outer space and you wanted to know what a good time to visit the north of England was, and you checked out the weather, 5 degrees, grey, drizzly and quite a strong breeze. It's I'd say come back in 4 months, but yeah, it's a bit raw to say the least. I'm here with you know who, and there's not probably going to be quite so many videos this week, probably because of her. We went to dog training on Monday. She's been doing really well, and then the trainer sort of upped the ante a bit with the training, and she was okay. She didn't do anything really bad, but she was a bit disobedient and she was wandering off. We were supposed to be doing a 2-minute stay, and after about a minute and a half she decided she was getting up and going to introduce herself to every other dog in class whose owners were desperately trying to, well, not desperately, whose owners were trying to get them to stay while I chased Carly around the room. So this week I always spend a lot of time with her. I'm spending a little bit more time with her, and I'm practicing some of the things that she couldn't do or did wrong. But I'll just show you where I am. This place I've been often. It's the old open cast mine workings at St Aidan's on the edge of Leeds. It's beautiful. There's a lot of geese over there, don't know if you can see them, and there's some cormorants sat on the posts drying they were drying the wings. So that was it really. It was just a quick update. There won't be so many videos this week. I might be going out at the weekend and making a couple to put on from next week. It's mostly me and the dog, Monday to Friday, practicing some of these things that we didn't do very well at the dog training. She's doing brilliantly. I mean, we've only had her since May, and she'd had no training whatsoever in May, and she's so good at some things, but there's other things that still need quite a lot of work. So I think there's only one way to do it, and that's just to keep on practicing. So I'm going to have my lunch. It's usually a lovely spot to have your lunch, this, but it's a bit nippy. Hungry dog. How to film yourself. I definitely need a GoPro that I can attach to my rucksack. It's the 6, Carly. So this is today's lunch. What do you think? Cordon bleu. Yeah. A bagel and a banana. It was all we had in. And of course tea. And yes, even though she's had about half a packet of treats, I'm going to save some bread for her. Nicely. Well, there you go then, guys. That was my little Tuesday walk at St Aidan's. We're definitely on the right side of winter. Second week in February. It's Valentine's the 14th on Friday. So about 5 weeks to spring. But this is as winter as the north of England gets. If there was a typical winter's day. This would be it. It's absolutely awful. Just got my bag out to see what little goodies I've got to have with my cup of tea, and the answer is absolutely nothing. So anyhow, that went okay. The dog's done great. She's just a big dog, and she's a young dog, and they take a lot of exercise, don't they? And last week I got myself a bit busy with other things, and then I was working at the weekend, and it's amazing how she can be doing really, really well, and then just a week when you sort of get out of sync with things, she seems to go back weeks or even months. Oh, sorry. Just leaving the bird reserve, so I just thought I'd wrap things up with a bit of inane chatter in the car. There wasn't many people there. There's a fair few people with dogs, and apart from the first people she came across that she tried to go greet and would have jumped up at if she'd have been off a lead, everybody else she was great with. So yeah, the channel, there won't be much in the way of videos this week, apart from it being awful. And I'm not really wanting to get out too much, although I'm going to have to do. But I certainly don't really feel much like making videos. I'm going to concentrate on the dog this week. But yeah, we've done quite well recently. We're almost at, is it 6,700 subscribers? Almost. See, flash me, yeah. So things are going quite well. Yeah, it'd be fantastic to get to 10,000 subscribers. I never thought I would, but like I think I've said before with YouTube, I don't think there's a quick way to do it. I think it's just keeping on. I've decided for now, it's not relevant in any way, shape or form to the channel and to what I make, but I reached the point a few months ago where I was eligible for monetization, basically what that means is when you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time, basically Google will start putting ads on your feed, and they'll pay you for the ads. What they don't tell you, you get all these videos on YouTube from people, how much I earned in my first YouTube paycheck. I got $7,000 and things like that. And these are people where each video is getting 150,000 views, and they've got 50,000 subscribers or something. I can tell you exactly how much I've earned since October, but I'm not going to get it. So just so we're clear, because I've turned the monetization off, so I'm making no money at all from YouTube. It would have been £53 since October, and honestly, I know what people are going to say, that take the money, but that's not why I'm doing it. And there's a big difference between going out and making whatever video you want just for the sheer hell of it, and thinking, oh man, I've got to earn another. I earned £600 last month, I want to earn £900 this month. There's a massive difference, because like this week I can just say, right, hi guys, quick video update, I'm spending the week with my dog, see you all next week, see you all in a month, see you all in the summer. It really doesn't matter, does it? And that's really what I want from YouTube. I don't want it to be a business. So before it got to £60, at which point they'll start paying you, I turned it off. And if Google was a charitable organisation, which it might be, it might not be, but they'd have a button that you could press, wouldn't they? Whereby I could donate that money to charity. But of course they won't. They'll keep it for themselves. But anyway, I said I was going to update you on the channel, so that's where we're at. 6,700 almost. So if you haven't subscribed, please do, because I think I'm about 60 subscribers short, and obviously I'm 300 subscribers short of 7,000, and I'm 3,000 short of 10,000. So please, if you haven't already, subscribe. It makes no difference financially to me, but it's a nice round number, isn't it? Just heading past another bird reserve, Fairbanks Bird Reserve. But anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I just thought I'd, as I say, I'm not going out and doing much this week, so I just thought I'd update you what was going on. It's a week I'm going to be spending just on walks with my dog. If I get a chance to film anything, I will, but there were just a couple of things we did at class that were new to her, that she was absolutely, well, she couldn't do. So there's only one way to get her to do them, and that's to practice them. So there you go. But until the next time, I'll say cheerio.